Hi guys, welcome back. So today is January 25th. We got a good video for you guys today. I'm going to talk a little bit for a minute and then we're going to hop into the video. So today's video, if you're interested, I want you to keep watching because it's going to be fun. So it's going to be about a collective haul. And when I say collective haul, meaning that over time, that like weeks ago, months ago, I have been like going places with friends or by myself, Goodwills or bins, and I've been storing everything like in the closets, and just to do a collective haul from Goodwill and bins. So that's what the video is going to be about, y'all. And the video that's going to follow after the video that you guys see today, y'all gonna be like, what? So there is going to be one more video. I know I said bedroom tour, but there is going to be one. Just bear with me, okay? There is going to be one more video after this video. Then we'll do the bedroom tour. And then I think after the bedroom tour, I will show you where I placed all the things that I show you today. We'll do a video of where I placed all the things or how the things look after you guys comment in the video of this video. I mean, in the comment section of this video. But anyway, guys, yeah, I'm already cleaned up. I still have my face stuff on. I have my sugar scrub that I make on top of my black doo-doo soap. So I'm going to be rinsing this off, clear my face, and yeah. But guys, you guys remember this? This is not sponsored or anything, but if they want to, they can. This is really, really good. This is really, really good. Like I said, this is the Simply Body Wash, the Sensitive Skin, Green Tea, Cucumber, and Aloe Vera. Y'all remember this was full and I got it for $3, which is a good deal because I think this is like probably $15.99. I probably have about that much left. So yeah, it's good. It makes your skin feel really, really good. So if you're interested, pick you up some. You probably won't get it for $3 unless you go to a Ben's or someplace like that. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to introduce to you guys what's going on in this video, and hopefully you will stick around for the other part of this video. So guys, please stay tuned. We're gonna have some fun, okay? All right. Oh, I'm sorry, I almost forgot. Y'all, what is y'all's weather? We've been getting snow on top of snow, on top of snow, and on top of snow. But guess what? It's been fun. It's been a little too cold, but it's been fun. So let me know in the comments too. How's your weather? Have you been playing it safe? Do you have your places cleared out and things like that? But yeah, the snow is pretty, but I don't like that cold weather. No, they can keep the 20 and below. They can keep all that. But yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop talking and stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome to the video. So I'm just going to get started with everything. You see a lot of things here. We're going to go into detail where they came from and all that good stuff. So the first thing I'm going to start off with that came from Goodwill is these beautiful, hold on, let me put them over here. I have 4 of these. And the reason why I got these, guys, are because look at them. They are beautiful. Like, I've never seen anything shaped like this before, but they were 50 cents each from Goodwill. So this is what they look like. And they have a little noise to them, but I don't know. But I bought 4. I only bought 4 because I only need 4. So y'all already know she's going to be outing with something, okay? She's going to be parting with something. Because one of my glasses, those tall ones I had before, they had like the different type of design in them. Though one of them broke, so I'm probably gonna gift someone those. I'm trying to think what else came from. Oh, those were from Goodwill. Now we're gonna get into I'm trying to think of something else that came from that. Oh, that came from one Goodwill by itself one day. So the next thing I got, and this is from the stuff I'm going to show you now is from the bins. Now some of the stuff is not mine. I will be gifting it to someone else. So I got these Golden Orchard. These are the wax melts. This is tobacco flower and neroli. This smells so good, y'all. So I got these for 50 cents. These were 50 cents. I'm going to throw in a clip of everything. I also picked up one of these wooden little spoons, like measuring spoons. I've been wanting one of these for a long time because I got rid of my plastic silicone turquoise ones. I just really didn't use them. So I got this one. I like that. This was 50 cents. I also picked up from the same place that day, the bins. I got these simple human. You get 10. You get 10 35 to 45 liter plastic bags. So I'm gonna gift these to someone because I own a simple human, but it's not the circle kind. This is for the circle kind, so I got this. I also picked up from the bins on that same day. I told you I was looking for another white candle. Now I only need one more. So I got this one here because you'll see. So I got this 50 cents. I also picked up from the Goodwill on another day these two bowls, y'all. I'm super excited. These are the Project 62 bowls. And y'all, they were only $1. This was from Goodwill. So these came from another Goodwill. Actually, the Goodwill down the street from me. These were $1.09 from Goodwill. $1.09 for the Project 62. I'm super excited because now I'm going to have my sets of dishes, y'all, that I've been trying to do, you know. So I got these two. Let me space these out because I don't want nothing to get broken. Okay, next I got, on another time at the bins, I hauled, y'all, do y'all remember last summer when I did the deck or whatever? We had these little lights out there that flicker. They were really cute though, but we don't, I think I got rid of them. I actually took them to the Goodwill and donated them. So I was so glad when I found these. These are the circular bulb ones. They came with extra bulbs. These are really glass bulbs, guys, and they all work. And these are the patio deck bulbs. These, you cannot beat that for $1. So these were $1 at the bins. So like I said, different occasions was Goodwill and bins. So I'm just showing you guys a collective haul of all the places. Okay, another time that I went to the bins, I got these Hearth and Home stone black plates. They are very pretty, and if you can see around the edges, they have like this little circular design, real pretty design. So now I have two of them. So that is gonna, so now I have two of these, two saucers to match, and two bowls to match. So how about that? So like I said, these were $1, and they're in great shape, and hopefully we can keep them in great shape. That same particular day, I got the plates. I've got this big pumpkin. This pumpkin was $1. Let me get my legs straightened out here, guys. This pumpkin was $1, y'all. $1. So I don't really like the color, but I like the fact that it is ceramic. So I could either spray paint this black, which I might, and add gold to this top part. And this will be another part of my fall decor for next fall or whatever. So like I said, this was $1. We'll put that over there. So another time that I went to the bins, it was actually 50 cents day, guys. I got this bushel of, these are natural dried, it says lettuce or something like that, but I got these. I think they're super nice. For 50 cents, you can't beat it. So I have an idea with something that I have hauled in this haul that I'm showing you. I have an idea for this, but I'm gonna also put this inside that gold vase that I put in the bathroom that was wood that I spray painted gold. I'm going to add some of these to those. I'm going to add some of these stems to that vase, and then I'm going to add some stems to another vase that I'm going to show you guys. So I got these, like I said, 50 cents. I also picked up that day for 50 cents these beautiful beads. Now this room here, the family room, is the only room that does not have beads. So I'm thinking about spray painting these gold. I don't have any gold beads. I have black. I think I only have black. So I'm going to do these gold or white. We'll see. And then I'll put them in here. So, guys, I got something to show y'all in the next video. Y'all going to be like, ooh, wait, girl. This room got a whole new makeover. I cannot even show y'all. That's why I had to sit over here because I can't show y'all, okay? So, just stay tuned for that. So, yeah, I picked up these beautiful, beautiful beads, 50 cents. I also got the same day this coffee container that has a wood top. It's beautiful. And only thing, y'all, and I didn't mind because, like I said, it was cheap. But I've been looking for one that says coffee. And like I said, y'all, I will be showing y'all everywhere I put all these items, except for like the pumpkin or something like that. The only thing, y'all, is broke here. So I can always break this one off and then sand that down, or I could just leave it. Like, it's not a big deal. But actually, this is the spoon that actually goes on here. Different times that I found that. It was so funny, but that's how it works sometimes. But anyway, enough of that. So this, like I said, was 50 cents as well. And let's get into another Goodwill haul. Y'all, I found this at Goodwill for $2. This is Project 62. Yeah, this was $2.29 from the Goodwill. $2.29. And this is Project 62. These are originally $14, y'all. So I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put it. I'm thinking about putting it on the wall as you come into the back. Y'all let me know in the comments where y'all think I should put it, or in the kitchen. Those are only two places that I'm thinking about putting this. This is so pretty, but it's gold, geometric. I just like this. It just looks so mid-century modern, and it has a ceramic top to it. So it's in great shape. I thought I had a crack on it, but it's not. It's just something on here. But guys, when you get your stuff from the Goodwill, please make sure you spray that stuff off before you bring it in. And actually, too, bless your stuff. Like, I don't want to bring nobody else's energy in my house. So that's just my tip to somebody else who likes to thrift and haul. So yeah. So I got this. $2. I couldn't believe it. And then the bins always carry these, but I never ever seen them for less than this what I paid. So I'm happy for that. So look at this vase, y'all. I found this vase in there. This vase was originally, green was half off and I didn't know. This was $1.09. It's flipped over or something. But when she rung it up, she said it was 50 cents. Look at that. Look at the uniqueness in that vase. So this is what I was going to put the other stems in. So I'm thinking about putting this by this back door on the shelf. I got to make sure that it's in an area on that shelf that it will never get knocked down, because I don't want to be having no problems over here. But anyway, I'm thinking about spray painting this gold or white. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. I'm thinking gold. I think it will just stand out more. I just love the beautiful detail in that. That is so, so pretty to me. So, so pretty. Okay. Okay, the last thing I got from the bins, as far as like the little smaller stuff, you got to open up packages there, y'all, or you will not know what you got, okay? You will never, never know. So I opened this thing. I said, okay, I see these two little things here. Guys, look at this. These are liners. These are liners. They zip so you can fold them. So this is like minimalist stuff. You can unzip this. Y'all remember the buffet dresser thing for the bedroom? You'll see. I'm going to take that. I have a wire basket. I'm going to take it out, put the socks in here. I don't have many bras, panties. I don't wear, y'all already know, TMI. No, it's not TMI. It's truth. But guys, look at that. Perfect, perfect. So this one is different, but the whole thing, y'all, was $1. Look at this one. This one zips too. So convenient. So look, it has slots. So now I can set these inside of the dresser console. So cute. Oh, guys, super happy. Y'all, look at that. So happy. I'm so glad to show y'all this stuff so I can get it put where it belongs, because it's been sitting in this room for a minute. So, y'all, the reason why the bedroom tour take so long, this is what I was looking for. So I found the Project 62 blackout curtain, 55 cotton, 55 polyester. The polyester part is the lining part that is polyester. That's 50%. Honey, y'all already know. I cut that out of there. So the curtain now is just 100%. Even though it's 50, still 100 because I cut the polyester. I cut the part out that I don't need blackout. So this is what I was waiting for. So the things I'm going to show you was $10 on a $10 day. So I'm just going to be real. Sometimes I'll do it every blue moon. This is $10 for this. I also picked up this Project 62 rug. You guys see that? Look at the print of it. This will be going in the kitchen. I think the print and everything is just so matchy, everything. It matches with the flow of the home. So this was $10. And y'all, I have been going in there for so many times. They had this lamp for $20. This is going in my office, by the way, if you're wondering. They had this lamp in there for $20. So I asked the guy on that particular day, can I get it for 10? And he said, yes, you can, because it has been sitting here. So he gave me this really nice bubbled glass, gold, muted gold lamp. This will be going in my office. And y'all remember the lamp that I had in there is now I'm going to have two of the same matching lamps in the front room. Y'all see, everything is coming together. So the only thing I have to do now is find a shade for this. So guys, with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful, long-awaited collector's haul. And that is everything, y'all. And guess what? I will see you all in the next one. Please remember to love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Leave me in the comments what y'all think. Paint, whatever, switch, what y'all think. Okay? Bye, y'all. See ya.